Hi Deirdre here again. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make this form a little bit more usable. So when people are using this form here, I'll go back into form view just so you can see it. So I'm going to move in here. So these fields here, these are actually connected through to the storage table. And there's only, I think, 2 locations that are possible to type in there. And so we need to make sure that people don't start typing in different headings and different text in here and that they go in correctly. So I'm going to go back into design view and we're going to put in a little drop down combo box in there. So we're going to click on storage area, we're going to select it here and we're going to delete that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a combo box. So I'm on the design tab here. So if, for example, you were in the wrong tab, just go to the design tab and in here, we're going to choose the combo box. That's this one here. So I'm going to click on combo box and I'm going to click and drag it down here. And this is where we're going to put it in. So we're going to click and drag along here. And this is the location of the new combo box. So the first thing it asks you is, where would the information like to come from? And we're going to select, I want the combo box to get values from another table or query. Okay, it's already selected for you, that's grand. I'm going to use that. So I'm going to click on next. It's now asking me, well, which table would you like to get it from? We'd like to get it from the storage table because it's the primary key in the storage table. So that's fine. We'll click on that and we click next. So storage area is the thing that we want to bring across. So that we're going to say storage area and click on next. Okay. In here, we're going to say storage area. It's already ascending. And this is how it's going to be laid out. And if there were lots of options, it would sort it nicely under alphabetically according to the storage area, which is fine. And we click on next. You can see how it's going to come up. That's perfect. We're happy with that. So we click on next. And then it's saying to us, well, once we find that information, where should it be stored? So we're going to say store that value in field, and in here it's storage area. So nearly the whole way through this, you're going storage area, storage area, storage area, storage area, storage area, the whole way through. Okay, that's fine. So we click on next. What are we going to call it? We're going to call it storage area. Okay, and we'll click on finish. Okay, and now you can see what we typed in here, storage area is up, and we're just dragging that across, and we're happy with that. So let's go into design view, and you can see now we have a little drop down and we can just select the actual storage area as opposed to having to type it in. So you can see it's not lined up very well at the moment. So we're going to go back into design view to adjust that. We could do it in layout view, but I think we'll just stay with design view. That's fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this and we're going to shrink it in this way. And just in case it needs a bit more space, we can stretch it out and we can line things up. Okay, and then we go back into form view and you can see that's looking a lot better.